Wanna give it up. Spanish girls wanna give it up. Wanna give it up. Middle Eastern girls wanna give it up. Wanna give it up.
I love you. All right, back to the partying.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be doing another chit chat, very casual, get ready with me. I'm going out for drinks with Kashama today. It is about 1:30 now and I've got about 45 minutes to get ready, so I'm wearing this beautiful dress that I have to get a photo in today, or want to. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. It's this like beautiful silk dress and the brand is Tallulah. But I got this via Moda Society, which is actually my friend's business, and they sort of hire out designer goods, but you can also purchase them through there. So I'll link the website down below. This isn't sponsored or anything. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna be doing like a very nice summer day glam kind of look. I'm actually just gonna take my jeans off because it's so hot. It's the great part about filming YouTube videos like this is I could literally be naked on the buttons and you guys would never know. But I'm putting shorts on because it still feels weird. Okay, so I think I'm gonna actually be a good person and put some sunscreen on. This is the Glossier Invisible Shield. I used to never wear sunscreen on a daily basis, like only if I were to go to the beach. And now I'm starting to, mainly because I want to have nice skin. I like this Glossier one because it's clear, it's like a gel formula. It still smells like the typical sunscreen, which I hate. I just don't like that scent, at least not on my face. But it's good. You guys, like, it looks nice. You can't really see anything and it works under makeup. So what I'm gonna do now is use this oil by Tarte. This is their beauty oil. And I used this in my last Get Ready With Me video, but I'm still doing this technique where I put the oil on the back of my hand and then I take my foundation brush and just make sure to get the oil all over there. This is the Marc Jacobs Seamless foundation brush. And then I take my foundation as well. I've been using the Shameless foundation by Marc Jacobs and I'm obsessed with it. I'm the shade medium Y370 if you guys are wondering. I'm in love with this. I've been using this for maybe 10 days now. I haven't used another foundation because it's so beautiful. And I actually love this foundation brush. It gives you such a nice application. Also, I probably shouldn't chop off my forehead if I'm doing my makeup. Hey, that's better. I need a mirror maybe. That's all I'm gonna do for foundation, just a super light coat because it's really warm today and I personally don't mind having like some of my imperfections show through. You can always do more, of course. Now I'm gonna do concealer, and this is the Marc Jacobs Remedy Concealer Pen in Late Show. And I also put this on the back of my hand and then I just go in with my finger. MAC Beauty is probably my favorite makeup brand out there right now. Their products are just so good. Like the quality is insane. Very expensive, but totally worth it in my opinion. Some of them I buy, a lot of them I get sent, which is incredible. As a lot of you guys probably know, I'm going away to Europe next week. I'm just going for 2 weeks and I'm so excited. Like I could cry just thinking about it. I love traveling and I love Europe. I was actually born in Germany. I lived there for most of my life. I'm fluent in German. Both of my parents are German. And we moved to Sydney when I was 11, so almost 9 years ago. But for me, Europe is still just home. And I also feel so inspired and just motivated and just happy when I'm over there. So I actually cannot wait to go. I'm going to Paris first, which will be incredible, and then a few different places in Germany. I'm gonna vlog everything, of course, and also do some other content over there. I'm just putting some of this around my mouth. I've been getting the weirdest redness like right here. Like this kind of helps, but you can still see it and I don't know where it comes from. It's such a random spot. And I've been having my cheek breakouts again, just non-stop. They're not too bad, but they just never leave. When one of them is okay, the next one appears. That's the kind of situation. And then I just go in with my hands and I kind of just press everything in because the warmth of your fingers really helps the product kind of melt into your skin and it looks really good. Okay, I'm gonna set that with some powder. I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I always go back to this one even if I like other powders. This is just the best there is, and this is the Zoeva Petite Face finish brush. And I've actually been into a new technique, which is that I actually set my face everywhere, because for the longest time I only set under the eyes, on the eyes and around the nose, and I would leave the rest of my face because I like that glowy look. But now I figured out a different technique, which I'm going to show you guys. So I basically set everywhere, not heavily, just a little bit, and there's going to be a second step in a little bit that I'll show you guys. But I do all the other powder products first. So I'm gonna bronze in a second, do my blush, and then I'll do that other step. Am I making any sense today? I don't know. I'm in a hurry. Let's do blush first. This is Marc Jacobs Flesh and Fantasy Air Blush. Stunning, my new favorite blush of all time. It's so good. And then I use this massive bronzer brush by Marc Jacobs as well. Not sponsored, wish it actually was. This is just the prettiest for the most natural, like everyday glow. It's stunning, and I love that you can build it up. I hate blushes that are too pigmented. I'm gonna use this Park Avenue. Can the planes go away? Okay, I'm gonna use this Park Avenue Princess palette by Tarte. This is like the most gorgeous packaging ever. I just wanted to do this ASMR thing, but I have zero nails, so it's not working. I'm probably gonna mix these two right here. And this is the Zoeva Luxe Face Paint brush. I've been loving this one because you can get a really nice and sharp contour, but it also blends out really nicely with this one. So I've kind of been hating Instagram lately. It's really sad to say because I love taking photos and being creative that way, but I just feel like Instagram has become kind of a toxic space for me at times. I just feel like a lot of the content is the same. Some people copy other people, but also some of the content is just the same because that's what people like to see, and you know, people have the same ideas, and there's only so many different ways to take a photo at the beach in a bikini, you know what I mean? I don't know, I've just been feeling a little bit uninspired with it, which is also why I'm excited to go away, because Sydney is incredibly beautiful and is obviously one of the best places if you're looking to take beach photos. But when it comes to fashion and doing street style, it's very hard to find locations, and everyone kind of shoots in the same places because there's only so many, and at times it just feels forced. Like these days when Kashama and I, we try to find a location, we have a Google first and we go, oh, we're gonna go there, have lunch, then take a photo at this wall, and it just seems so forced. Whereas when I'm in Paris, I just walk around and go, oh my god, that looks beautiful, let's do something here, and it's a lot more spontaneous and it just feels a bit more genuine, and just, I don't know, because I'm never fake on Instagram, but it just feels, I think forced is the right word sometimes. Like the creative process seems forced, and some of you guys might be going, oh my god, what's the big deal? Like you're just taking a photo for Instagram. But if that's what you're doing all the time, and if that's your job and you do it every day, and I've been doing this for years, you know, you want it to be a fun, creative process. You want it to be like a healthy process that you enjoy doing, you know what I mean? So I don't know, that's kind of been annoying. I'm hoping that especially Paris being there again is gonna give me kind of a creative boost, but also I'm really enjoying doing YouTube more. I'm just gonna take this Enhance shade. This is like a banana powder. I love that I'm doing YouTube more because it makes me worry less about Instagram. I really have not been posting much on Instagram, and I'm not stressing about it because YouTube is kind of my focus, which is really nice, and I find YouTube a lot more rewarding. So I'm gonna spritz my face now. This is the Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs and rose water. You guys have seen this before everywhere. Everyone uses this. My new technique is basically I powder everywhere, but then I drown myself in this, and it just gives you the most beautiful glowy finish, but it also lasts a while as opposed to not setting, if that makes sense. So let's do that. And yeah, I just do this after I've applied all the powder products, at least the powder products on my face, except for highlighter. Highlighter I like doing after this. I'm gonna do my eyebrows next. I'm gonna just do these really quickly and be right back because this is a really boring process. I just used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in dark brown. Okay, so I'm back, my brows are done, and I did them pretty soft today. I mean, this is still a pretty bold brow, but that's just because I have big brows. I've got this Charlotte Tilbury palette that I haven't tried. This is the new Stars in Our Eyes palette. Maybe I'll have a play with this. Oh, you and I both know this is not going to be the thumbnail. I'm gonna just put this shade here in my crease. This is gorgeous. I love how quickly this blended out as well. It's super nice. I did a shoot with Supre the other day that you guys might have seen, and it was so much fun. Like, I never really do professional photo shoots like in a studio with a makeup artist and a stylist and, you know, like 20 people and proper lights and cameras and everything. Like, I've only ever done that once before. At first I was really intimidated, but I loved the team. Like, they were all so nice and they made me feel really just comfortable. I'm gonna go in with the middle shade of the first three, and yeah, so it actually ended up being a really nice experience. This isn't really showing up. I'm gonna spritz some of this on my brush. I'm going to, oh, that's nice. I'm gonna have the photos and everything to show you guys soon, so that'll be really fun. But yeah, it's a really sick campaign and they've got a really cool variety of different girls in it, which is always super fun, like of different backgrounds and girls that are doing different things in the industry. Another really exciting thing that happened is I went to the Fenty Beauty event where Rihanna showed up. So that was cool. I've got some clips. I will put them in now.
So don't forget to go on Sephora.com.
Yes! Where you been?
And get it. Alright? And get it. Kendall, I love you. Alright, back to the partying.
It was actually insane. I didn't get to meet her or take a photo with her. There were only a bunch of people that actually got a photo, and most of them were sort of picked out beforehand to do something with her. It was fine. I was still so close to her and it was just insane. Like, if you guys don't know, Rihanna has been my absolute #1. I think she became my favorite when I was like 10 years old, literally. I just have so much respect for her as an artist, as a businesswoman, as a fashion fucking icon. Like, she is just an absolute legend and she came from nothing, and I just have so much respect for her. So it was really special to be around her and to be at an event where she was. I couldn't believe it. It was one of those pinch me moments. I'm gonna pop something in the inner corner. I'm gonna take this here. This is from the Power Eyes. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Under the brow bone as well. I don't know if I should do a liner or not. I'm just gonna do a little bit of a wing. This is the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Okay, I just finished my wing. I'm pretty happy with this. I'm just, oh, whew, I thought I just got eyeliner on the dress, but I didn't. I'm gonna take this fine liner. This is the Ultra Skinny Gel Eye Crayon by Marc Jacobs, and this is in the shade Oh Spice, a dark brown. I feel like this does not look like a soft summer glam. Whatever. I'm gonna do my lashes. I'm gonna curl them using the Kevyn Aucoin lash curler and then use my Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara. Love that. I'm gonna use some highlighter. This is the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats Diamond Bomb highlighter. This is actually stunning, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty highlighting brush as well. Do you see how beautiful that is? This is like not a soft summer glam. Okay, so I'm gonna do my hair first and then jump into the dress and then decide what lip I want. This is why I don't brush my hair when it's dry, because it just looks like this. I'm gonna use this product by IGK Hair. This is the Rich Kid Coconut Oil Gel. And I'm just going to smooth everything out with that. It's never gonna look 100% perfect unless I straighten my hair, especially like the hairline up here, but I don't really care enough. This is by the Aucoin. This is the Memory Mist. I'm gonna put on some lip balm. This is the Agave Lip Balm by Bite Beauty. And this one's really good because it's sticky rather than slippery. So you can put it on under lipstick and it's usually fine. And I think I'm gonna use the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Exposed. Nope, that's not the one. I'm gonna use Pillowtalk lip liner by Charlotte Tilbury.
Hello.
Hello, do you wanna come in the video? I think I'm going to do these earrings. These are by Bagatiba. And we're basically done. This necklace is by the M Jewelers, and then I'm wearing this little ring. This is by a brand called Lavash.
Wanna give it up. White girl, wanna give it up. Wanna give it up. Spanish girls, wanna give it up. Wanna give it up. Middle Eastern girls, wanna give it up. Wanna give it up.
Now I be in the club hollering the hoes like hey now. Sipping never go, they all want me to stay now. So on the streets and on the blocks and twist the red hot. They give it away, give it away, give it away now. She got dreams of having California kissing with me. I can see from how she looked that she couldn't wait to hit me. Come on over here, la mama, so you can babysit me. Bounce that ass in front of me. Now that's the way.
So that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun filming this, and I'm gonna link everything down below. If you have any other questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to get back to you. As always, thank you so much for watching. I love you all and I will see you in my next video. Bye!